Hey, how's it going today? My name is Jordan, and if you're looking for the best and the real way to either, keep your hair, grow it back, this website is your only solution. It will give you information on how to regrow your hair, cure hair loss, help with balding. Essentially, it's all your worst nightmares of going bald that will never, ever come true. How do you do this? Simply click the link below for more information. Now, if you want a full head of hair exactly like this, something similar, silky smooth, you can push it back, you can even grow it out in the back a little bit, you need to check out the link below to do this. This website is here for you. They want to help you grow your hair back. They want to help you cure your baldness. They want to help you with your hair loss. So what exactly are you waiting for? You don't have anything to lose, right? Well, I guess you do have your hair to lose. But anyways, click the link below to check out more information. Trust me, this will work and you will be satisfied.